Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the question number 6, which I have taken from 13 exercise chapter number 13 and D1 mathematics. The question number 6 is find the area and as well as parameter of the given shape. And today we are solving the B part of question number 6. You can see this is a picture in front of you and we have to find out the parameter as well as the area of the given figure. So first of all I will draw this picture on my paper. I have drawn this picture on my paper and you can see this is the picture and the given measurements are the length of this side is under 200 and the radius is given, which is 5 meter, and you can see there are two lines and these two lines show that both the lines are equal in measurement. So first we will split this picture into two parts. The one is the triangle and the other one is the semicircle. We will find the area of both step by step and then we will add the two area of triangle and the semicircle and get the answer of this desired shape. So first I will start from the semicircle, and you know that this is the radius and radius is 5 meter. So area of circle, the formula is area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, the formula is pi r square divides by 2. The value of pi is 3.14. The value of r, the radius is 5 meter, and then after simplification you will get answer 39.25 meter square, and this is the area of semicircle. Now we will find out the area of a triangle. So first I will write the formula. The formula is area of triangle is equal to 1/2 b into h. B for base and h for height. But you can see the base and height both are missing in the question. But let's observe it. The radius is 5 meter and this is the diameter of the semicircle. The diameter of the semicircle as well as the length of triangle both are same. The length of triangle, this is the length of triangle and this is the diameter of the semicircle, both are same. If the radius is 5 meter, the radius is 5 meter, so diameter is double of the radius. Diameter is double of the radius. So what will be the diameter of this semicircle? The diameter is 10 meter. So the length of this triangle is, this is the height, and the height of triangle is also 10 meter because both are same in measurements. And these two lines shows, which is given in the question, these two lines shows that both lengths are equal. If this is 10 meter, so this is also 10 meter because it is isosceles triangle. Now I will put the values. So the base is also 10 meter and the height is again 10 meter, and this is 10 meter. After simplification I get the answer 50 meter square, and our picture is the combination of triangle and semicircle. First we have find the area of triangle and semicircle. Now we will add these two area and get the answer of this picture. We will add these two areas and get the answer of this figure. This is the now the area of complete figure. So the area of complete figure is 50 area of triangle plus area of semicircle, which is 39.25. Both areas add up and you will get the answer 89.25 meter square, which is the area of this shape. Now next we will find out the parameter of the shape. Keep in your mind, parameter is the sum up of all the boundaries of any closed shape figure. So under root 200 is equal to 14.14. Actually under root 200 is equal to this one. So first I will give them the name A, B, this point is called C, and this is D. From A to B the length is 14.14 meter, and from A to D the length is 10 meter. The length is 10 meter. from A to B 14.14, from A to D the length is 10 meter, but I don't know what is the length of BCD. The length of BCD is missing, but we can find out the length of BCD with the help of this formula pi r, because it is the circumference of the semicircle. It is circumference of the semicircle, and we can find out the value with the help of this formula pi r. Now I will use the value of pi r and find the value of BCD. Perimeter of the shape: length of AB plus length of BCD plus length of DA. So length of AB plus length of BCD plus length of AD. Now the length of AB is length of AB is 14.14. Length of BCD is pi r and plus 10 meter. The value of pi is 3.15. The value of r is 5. After simplify, you will get the answer 39.84 meter, and this is the parameter of the shape. Keep in your mind, when you are finding the parameter of any shape, so just we will count down. So just we will measure the boundaries A to B, BCD and DA. We will just measure the boundaries. The center line is not included. Okay, the center line is not included, so we will not sum up this line into the parameter. I hope this video to help you to find the solution of B part of question number 6. So inshallah we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.